Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both devices are ready, update Mac OS and iOS, and sign into the same Apple ID. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They speed wireless sync. Now connect your iPhone with a USB cable or set up Wi-Fi sync in Finder. Tap Trust on the iPhone when prompted. This authorizes the Mac to access data. Make sure charging is active. Syncing can pause if battery is low, so keep the phone plugged in during the initial transfer. You now move into the app. Open Finder on Catalina or later versus iTunes on older Mac OS. Select your iPhone in the sidebar and scan the tabs, music, photos, files, and backups, because each controls different content. Choose what to sync and whether to back up to this Mac or iCloud. Make deliberate selections to avoid duplicating files. Once configured, click Apply, then Sync. Watch the progress bar and status messages. They tell you what's transferring, and if any conflicts require manual resolution. You finish by safely ejecting the iPhone from Finder or iTunes, then verify that music, photos, and files arrived where expected. Make sure iCloud sync settings don't duplicate content. Reconcile photos and contacts between iCloud and local sync. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices and check for OS updates, then sign out and sign back into Apple ID. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset sync history in Finder/iTunes if transfers stall. This often clears corrupt state without erasing device data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.